Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when buttons on your controller in ASUS ROG Ally doesn't work. And to fix it, it's quite simple. You will need to open your Armory crate. Then in the settings, make sure that you have the embedded controller enabled, added in the icon list. Then you can click and open your command center, enable embed controller, and now when we try to use the buttons again, as you can see, they work fine. We can also show you it right here, so we can go for X to delete any buttons, or in the library, select, for example, this game, and we can launch it or do whatever we want. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.